Hi, good morning everyone. John here. So today we're gonna make a very quick video on how to fix the pairing issue for Haylou G21 Pro, which I bought from Lazada a couple of months ago for only 1,000 pesos. So if you wanna grab yourselves one, I suggest you purchase it from Gadget Hunter store. Without further ado, first you're gonna want to take both earbuds out from the case, and they should turn on by themselves, and you'll have to turn them off by holding the sensor button for a few seconds until the two LED red lights shut off. There. That means they already powered off and paired. And then you're gonna want to hold them again for another 15 seconds as soon as the two LED lights turn off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Sometimes it does not have to be 15 seconds. It depends. Then, after that, what you're gonna do next is to turn them back on by pressing and holding them for 2 seconds. As soon as the LED light flashes. There it is. That means that they are ready to pair. Now, take note that you would have to unpair them from your devices if they were connected to it before. So if your phone was connected to your earbuds before, all you gotta do is to head over to your Bluetooth device settings and select unpair. Once you're done, all you have to do next is to run a scan again, and the Haylou G21 Pro should appear again on available devices, and you're good to go. So basically, that's pretty much a it. Thank you.